Story time. So, father had twin daughters, Smarty and Naughty. On their 20th birthday, they came to the father and said, Papa, we want some gift. So, father said, okay, I will give you 50,000 every birthday from your 20th birthday to your 65th birthday. You can do whatever you want with the money. You can spend or you can save. If you are saving, you have to save in a specific instrument which is generating 12% per annum compounded return. And whatever you're saving, once you have saved, you cannot withdraw the money. Both the girls agreed and happily started taking the money. Smarty started investing immediately, right on her 20th birthday. She invested for the first 9 years, 50,000, what she received, till the age of 28 years. From the age of 28 years till the age of 65 years, she was all spending the money. So she saved for 9 years into 50,000, 4,50,000. Naughty. She was very casual till 28th year, but getting the inspiration from Smarty, she also started investing from her 28th year. And she was so serious, she invested from 28th year till 65th year. So for the 38 long years, she was investing continuously. In total, she invested 50,000 into 38 is equals to 19 lakhs in principal. Now pause for a moment and tell me, who do you think will end up with more money at the end of 65th year? Now most of you will say, oh, obviously Smarty, not Naughty. Because she saved for 38 long years and Smarty just saved for 9 years, just 4,50,000. She won't have much. This is this sounds logical, and this is how human brains think linearly. But money does not grow linearly because of two powerful forces, which is time and compounding, and therefore results will shock you. So Naughty, who saved for 38 long years, invested 19 lakhs, her total corpus at the end of 65 years was 3.05 crores. At the same time, Smarty, who saved only 4.5 lakhs, but her money grew to a staggering of 4.89 crores. Exactly. Now, why did this happen? Because Smarty gave her money full 45 years to grow, whereas Naughty gave her money only 38 years. This starting 7 years made a massive impact. That is why I always say, if you start early, you don't even need to save big. If you start late, you have to save for a very big time. Starting early is the biggest financial advantage you can give to yourself. But wait, how did I calculate these numbers? So I have attached the Excel sheet in the description with formulas.